Alright, so today we're going to be installing some door panels. This should be easy. I don't know, I have already the other one installed, but whatever. Okay, so we're going to cut first, right? Oh, and a safety tip, don't cut towards yourself. That's what I'm doing right here. I'm a big dum-dum right now. Yeah, don't do it. So just cut your way through until the bubble wrap or any wrap comes off. So what you're going to need for this project is a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a flashlight. Flashlight is for looking into the dark parts of the panel. So in my door panel, for this case, pretty much everything is broken. The mechanics from the inside, the door panel, and the window mechanics are all broken. So I'm gonna fix that. So just take all the wires out, connect them to the door panel, and then to the little console with the thingies on there, get them on, and then there's one connector that has screws on it. That's where the Phillips head comes in, and that's where you tighten it and stick it through the shaped hole on the outside of the door panel. God, I can't speak English. Yeah, like that, and it from the outside it should look like a complete door panel, just not on the door itself. So once you connect the wires, stick it through, and yeah, it should be pretty easy after that. Just carefully stick it into place of the door itself, and tightly push it in, almost like a lot, with a lot of force, not too much but a lot. And if you're a pretty weak person, I'm not saying like super weak, but like pretty weak, like you have a problem carrying 50 pounds, you should probably get someone else to help you. And then the little pegs you see down on the bottom, that is what goes into little holes on the door itself, and those snap into place to keep your door panel securely in place. Push it onto the door and it should be complete. And then after that, just screw in the screw holes that secure the door panel even more. And after that, you're complete. Alright, let's see how the door panel looks. Oh my god, you don't even know that the door panel was off first time. But yeah, looks smooth, looks natural, and looks great. 10 out of 10 job from me. You might have done a 9, 8, 5, 3, or even a 1 out of 10. I don't know, that's on your skill level. See you later. Okay, so this is editor me. It should have been pretty easy doing the thing. But again, it depends on your skill level, but with this, I guarantee you could probably do it way better than nothing, or even watching some other people's videos. But I don't know, that's just me. Yeah, not much to it. Most of my videos aren't much to it. I keep saying that. I should probably stop. I don't know if I should, because it's literally, there's nothing to it. My videos are simple, unless they're like parody videos. I don't know. Okay. Yeah. That's pretty much it. Subscribe if you want to. I don't know. Do whatever you want. Comment for the engagement, and I'll see you in the next episode of Honda Standard Review. Bye bye.